so here is Miss Butta Unit 1 on. This is in the color Money Piece Gold. I think she is really pretty. It's really soft, a little bit on the shiny side, and I love the blunt bob. I love this color. I'm so glad I got this color. I was on their website and I was like, Money Piece Gold, why they name it that? But I was like, you know what, I want to try this color, so that's what I did. And so far, I mean, the unit is beautifully made. The parting space is really good, and the lace is light, but I feel like that's best because you can customize it to how you want. You know, we all come in different skin tones, so I think that it's not too light, but it is light. But like I said, that makes it customizable, so that is a good thing. This is part of their HD lace, their virtually undetected HD lace. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees, 100% premium fiber. Sensationnel always has a good color range. It comes with your 2 combs in the front as well as your adjustable straps and 1 comb in the back. She goes from $35. I will leave the pricing and where to purchase her from in the description box down below. It comes with baby hairs. It is said to have a natural density hairline. It blends with most skin tones. The virtually undetected HD lace and the ear-to-ear lace with the wide 5 deep hand-tied parting area. So I think that this is a gorgeous style. The construction is beautiful. It is bob season, so Sensationnel did not disappoint. I love this color on me. I think it's beautiful. It's so soft. This is also a right side part, and I just think it's beautiful. Let's get ready. It's bob season. If you guys have any other bobs you would like for me to review, if you have this wig, definitely comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. So this concludes this wig review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely comment, like, and subscribe. I thank you for all your continued support, and I will see you guys next time.